To change the menu language on Dacia Renault Media Nav, in the main screen, click on the down right corner icon, Settings in English, Einstellung in Deutsch. Click on the first option, Sprache in Deutsch, Language in English. Here you have a list with all available languages. Click on the language you want and then click OK. The selected language changes almost instantly. To return in the main menu, click Home button. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you.